Hey folks, I've got a 2010 Honda Odyssey here, and I've got a headlight that's not working. Happens to be the right one. The number is a 9006, and I'll show you how to put that in. I'm going to replace both of them though, because oftentimes both headlights go out within a couple of days or a couple of weeks of each other, so it's easier just to replace them both. So let me show you how to do it. The easiest way to get to it is to come over here from the side, and then you'll see this white connector down here, right here, and at the bottom of it is a little tab. You push the tab in or toward the front of the car, and then you pull down on the connector, and that takes the connector off. And now the light bulb, if you can see it, is this black piece right here. So you're just going to turn that, pull it straight out, and there's our first light bulb. That's the replacement one. Of course, be careful with it as you fit it back down here. So go back down where we were. All right, putting the bulb back in. I got start at that direction and then turn it. Then here's the connector. I'm just going to push that up the light switch, the light bulb. Boom, there we are. Here I am on the other side. Same thing. There you go. There's the light bulb. So just do the same thing. Push it in on there. Pull down on that connector. Connector's off. All right, a little close up. Now that connector's off, I'm just gonna turn it like that and pull it straight out. There we go. Right, here's the new bulb. Put that in and turn it. Take the connector, just like the other one. Hear it click. That's all there is to it. Good luck doing it yourself. It's really easy.